In this video, I'm going to show you how to change goals in Fitbod. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Workout tab at the very bottom left, and then you want to go to the My Plan tab at the very top left. Now when you click on that, it's going to open up My Plan, and the first thing over here is Goal. So it's going to say Goal. You want to click on whatever it says there, and then you can select your goal. So you can change them over here. You have different options. The common ones are build muscle, get lean, get stronger, and then you also have different other ones such as reduce body weight, improve fitness, practice powerlifting, or practice Olympic weightlifting. So you can set whatever you want. For example, if I switch to get lean over here, my goal is now going to be get lean, and I can then go back if I want to. So that's one way to actually change your goal, and it's the most convenient one. And then down here, you could go ahead and, of course, adjust different workouts per week, durations, experience, etc., according to your own goals. Of course, you could also set training splits, exercise variability. You could add warm-up sets, circuits, supersets, whatever you want. And that way, you can basically adjust your goals, and you can adjust everything according to whatever you're planning to achieve. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.